Hello everyone, welcome to Big Little English. So, some of my students have been asking on how to start speaking. So if you are a beginner, you can just start with something small. You don't have to give big speeches right away. You can just start with something easy and simple in order to make yourself more familiar with the language. Alright, so in this video, I will give you 8 phrases that you can use in your everyday life. So let's get started. Alright, the first phrase that you can use is "Hey, how are you doing?" or "Hey, how are you?" So it is as similar as apa khabar in Malay when we want to ask someone about their well-being. Okay, how are you doing? How are you? And when someone asks you this question, you can answer, "I'm fine, I'm doing great, I'm terrific," or "I'm doing good," something like that. Okay. And the next one is, how was your day? How was your weekend? So when you want to ask how was your day, you cannot ask it in the morning. People usually ask this phrase in the afternoon, evening or night, because in the morning you just started your day. Your day has just begun. So how was your weekend? People usually use this phrase when they went back to work on Monday. So they want to ask your classmates or their co-workers, how was your weekend? Means what you doing on weekend. Yeah. Alright, the next phrase is long time no see. I know that most people think that this is grammatically incorrect, but this is actually correct. A lot of native speakers use this phrase, long time no see. You use this phrase to someone that you haven't seen in a long time. Long time no see. Yeah. The next phrase is I beg your pardon, or sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please speak slowly? You use this phrase when someone speaks too fast. Okay, for example, you are speaking with a native speaker and their English is quite good and their accent is very thick, so you don't understand their English. So you can say something like this. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please speak slowly? Or if you are talking to a friend, you can just simply say sorry, sorry with the question mark. Sorry, but that is very informal and you can only use it with your friend. You cannot use it with your boss or lecturers or teachers. Okay? And the next phrase is when something bad happened and people say sorry to you. For example, someone spilled a coffee on your shirt. You can say it's okay, no problem, means tak apa. Okay? Alright, the next phrase is, this is the situation when you are talking to someone and then suddenly your phone rings and you have to pick up the call. Okay, so what you can say to the person you are speaking to is, excuse me, could you give me a second please? It means you really have to take the call, so you are asking permission. Could you give me a second please? Alright, and the next one is when you are traveling to certain places and you want to ask for direction. Okay, you can ask, I know, how can I get to the train station? Alright, the last phrase is when you want to buy something and you want to know the price, you can say, may I know how much is this? Alright guys, that's all for today. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and leave your comment down below. Thank you so much. Goodbye.